Let's do it, Ty. People passing them left and right. Just let it go straight.
Back foot's really tight. Hit it hard, Ty. Come on.
Go big or go home, Ty. I see you working backside. Got a chick showing you up. Oh, Dusty, I see you working. I'm gonna go hit Ty. What's up, bro? Oh my. Oh, he's not down. He's doing circles. Oh my gosh, I want to see you crash. Ty, I got that on video. That was too cool. How do you go that slow? Get up, nothing happened. Nothing happened. She's down. Oh, chick fell, Dusty fell. It's karma. Shred the gnar. Go, Ty, go. Go toe side.
Toe side, Ty.
Toe side, Ty.
Do it.
Gosh, no wonder you're sore. This sucks. What's up, cuh? What's up, cuh? You're a fag, Dusty.
Oh, you're such a dude.
Yeah, eat it. I know. Let's see if he makes a move. Ty past somebody. She got to bust a move. I see you working. That was good. What are you doing? Is he down to fall? Deez. Go in there.
No, I didn't last time.
I don't think he meant to though. Ty, that was good. No, don't unstrap. Alright, good idea. I haven't looked at what's in front of me for like the past ever. Down to get some air with Ty's phone. Yeah, I know. Do it, do it, do it all by yourself. Okay, what? What? No air? Easy, bro.
My head is killing me, dude.
That sucks.
I gotta get up.
No, don't get off yet. Alright, we gotta go that way. Dude, you're all on me.
Taking us off.
Done for the day? Calling it? Throwing in the bag? Deuces. What do you have to say about that run?